everyone, so today we're gonna unbox again because this is a gift from my tita, and this is a big gift because she doesn't have a gift, and then she's asking if I want money, and I said I want soup. So this is what she got me. I requested for it, so I forgot what it is. Because it's the tree. And then maybe this is like tree cheesy. I don't okay. So this is crucifix. This is Jesus on the cross. Hold up. Crucifix. Mommy, Mommy, look. Mommy. This is a crucifix.
Cute.
Okay, next up is in St. Matthew. Diba sabi ko St. Thomas?
Hello? Parehas yan?
Hindi, diba sabi ko St. Thomas?
Ano ba yung pinabili mo?
St. Thomas. Eh, sabi niya, di niya mahanap St. Matthew. Ito yung St. Matthew.
Pero yung dumating kanina, ano yun?
St. Matthias.
Iba yun Matthew, iba yung Matias.
Yeah.
Apostle din yan.
Yeah.
Ayan, apostle din yan.
Yes. St. Matthew.
Ay, ala na. Mag-video ka na lang ulit.
So, this is St. Matthew.
Ganda na.
So, next is Our Lady of Candelaria. This is the patron of Haro Ilo.
Dalawa na pala yung box ng Mama Mary mo, Neddy.
So,
Kadami na, Dylan.
this is it.
Ay, grabe, napakadami na. Hello, nabasag.
This is
Dala mo mag-grocery tayo.
There it is. So, this is all. This is all. By the way, altar review. This is new because it's chorus for today. So, yep, this is altar review. And that's the other altar. Okay, bye! Make sure to like and subscribe. Bye!